Had some awesome educators reach out to me and talk to me about Curipod. So I'm very curious, so I wanted to try it out. So come along, let's see what this does. Let's go to curipod.com. I'm gonna sign up for the free account, select teacher, and then type in the school I work at. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my school Google account to log in. Looks like if I go to the Discover tab, I can go see, just like with any other tool, I can go see what other people have created. I want to see how this works, so let's go ahead and create a lesson. So I put in my topic for this lesson is two-step equations in 7th grade math. And then I'm going to go ahead and let the AI do its thing and select Do Magic. Oh my gosh, it created an entire lesson for me with built-in activities. What? Look at this. This is like a word cloud, a collaborative word cloud. And then it has notes about two-step equations, some concepts we're going to talk about. And then I have student participation here again, and then some more information. Curipod created 10 slides for me with interactivity embedded throughout the entire presentation. And as you can see over here on this left menu, I can change backgrounds, I can add elements, make edits as necessary. And if I don't like the activity embedded on this page, I can just come right over here and change it. I can go ahead and just put this right in present mode, and then I can just flip through it. For students to participate, they just go to that Curie.live and then put in the presentation pin. And what hasn't Curipod thought of, but every teacher needs a moderation control here, and that's what I can do with this. As someone who works in middle school, we know our middle school students can be a little brave at what they add into their public responses. This is absolutely amazing. I can't wait to share this with more teachers. I hope you like it. I hope you can use it. And as always, I'm going to put in my cautionary tale for AI. Vet all the images and the screens and the information put on there. You are still the most important person when it comes to lesson creation. This AI is game-changing. Follow me for more tips like this.